Maximize sales on Shopify store with Notify Me. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be discussing a powerful Shopify feature that can significantly increase and boost your sales and enhance customer satisfaction. That is Notify Me. So if you're running a Shopify store, you know how crucial it is to keep your customers engaged and avoid losing sales due to out of stock products. So Notify Me for that purpose is a simple yet effective solution for this. So in this video, I'm just going to go over and I'm going to explain what Notify Me is, its benefits, its key features, and how it can help you maximize your sales on your Shopify store. And lastly, I'm also going to walk you through how you can integrate it seamlessly in your store. So what is Notify Me? Notify Me is a feature or app on Shopify that allows its customers to receive notifications when an out-of-stock product is back in stock. So essentially, when a product is unavailable, instead of seeing a sold out message, customers can have the option and the liberty to leave their email addresses or their phone numbers. So once the item is restocked, they are going to receive an alert, which is going to prompt them to return to your store and make a purchase. So you see the idea that this feature addresses a common issue in e-commerce, which is lost sales due to out-of-stock products. So by using Notify Me, you can create an opportunity to recover those lost sales by re-engaging interested customers. So you see, wherever you have the problem that the customers are leaving or there's lesser website traffic because something is out of stock, then you have Notify Me to save your day, right? It's going to save you off. So let's start off by integrating Notify Me onto your Shopify store. So first things first, I'm sure that to be able to have Notify Me, and if you're watching this video, you probably already have your Shopify store running. So let's start off by heading over to Shopify store. You can see I'm logged into my Shopify store, and from here we are going to see how you can integrate Notify Me into your Shopify store. So first things first, we are going to head over to the add app section, or you can head over to the apps.shopify.com/notifyback, or you can directly head over to notifyme.io's website onto Google. From here, you can either choose to start for free by clicking up on start for free, or you can click on booking a demo. You can do either of these, but instead of getting it done from here, you can just directly head over to your Shopify store and click on add apps right here. Now from here, we are going to go all the way down to the Shopify app store, and from here we are going to be searching for the app called Notify Me. You can see there are so many different similar apps like Notify Me around here, but you're going to navigate and select this one. Keep in mind that this has a blue logo right here, the same one they have on their original website. Let me give you an idea. This one, you're supposed to have the same website. So what you're going to do is you are going to click on install right here. You can see I already have it installed, but once you will have to click on add app to install it, you're going to be prompted to give necessary permissions to the app, so you're going to follow the on-screen instructions. Thirdly, you will have the option to customize the notification settings. So once the app is installed, you're going to go into the app settings. Let me just quickly open it right here. Into the app settings, we have, you can customize the appearance of the Notify Me button, the form fields like email or SMS options, and you can also select and check the notification templates. So you're going to make sure to align the design with your store's branding. You see here we're into the app integrations, and here's where we can head over with the basic notification preferences. Let's continue on. This is the app widget. You also have the option to choose your desired plan if you want or if you don't. I am not exactly a fan of this one as of now, but head over to adding this into my store. Click on continue. Here are the options that you want to see into the buttons. It's either back in stock, pre-order, or else low stock. You can choose all three of them, or you can just head over which is back in stock. I'm going to go ahead with all three of them. Then you're going to scroll all the way down and click on activated. Mine is already activated, so it's asking me to choose a specific plan. which is about 4.9, almost $5 per month. And this is for $50 per month, which is for VIP support. It's Notify Me Plus, and this is just the premium one, which is for $5 per month. Now let's head over to my store where we can see it out in action. Now this is my Shopify store. We are going to be testing the integration. So before going live, we're going to test the feature to ensure it works smoothly. We're going to choose an out of stock product, submit a notification request, restock that product, and verify if the notification is sent onto our email or phone. As you can see, we head over to the app embeds right here into our store. And to head over to your store, all you'll have to do is simply click on My Store from here. That's gonna lead you to your store. And then you're gonna click on App Embeds from here, which is like the third button onto the left-hand side of the screen. And from there, you're gonna see all the installed applications you have and integrations that you want to have in. So we're going to turn this on and off. You can click on this button to turn this on. Now, for example, let's just say this one specific shirt of mine is out of stock, and it's this app, Notify Me, is going to be sending me emails and notifications onto the app that this t-shirt is running out of stock, so I can really put it back into stock into my inventory stuff. So once the Notify Me feature is live, you'll have to keep an eye on the analytics dashboard. Let's head over to the analytics dashboard. This is the analytics dashboard. So we're going to pay attention to the demand for specific products, and we're going to use this information to guide in to your inventory planning. Now, this being said, let's head over to discuss some of the most amazing benefits and key features of having Notify Me. First one being very obvious, which is the increased sales channel. So this is the biggest advantage, and it's the potential to recover lost sales. Now, instead of losing customers to competitors because a product is out of stock, what we're going to do is we are going to keep them engaged and increase the likelihood of conversion once the item is back. The second one being customer engagement and loyalty. This is a very beautiful feature of Notify Me, where instead of having bad customer relationship, it's going to help foster stronger relationships with your customer by notifying them when the products are back in stock. So that shows that you really care about your customers' interests and you're attentive to their needs, which can really increase customer loyalty. I mean, at the end of the day, what do they want? They want to be heard, listened, and seen. They want their needs to be fulfilled. Absolutely. Third one being you have an insight into your product demand. For example, this t-shirt, gray shirt with a sunset on it, is, let's just say, it's the most valuable data which we're going to be given by out of stock products is the fact that we're going to know which one is most in demand. So if you see a lot of notifications going off for this specific item, I'm going to have an idea that this indicates strong customer interest in this specific product. So that is going to help me make informed restocking decisions. Instead of me just restocking about hundreds of this orange t-shirt, I could restock about hundreds of these and keep these in like about 50s or 60s, because that's going to make me make wise and smart decisions about what I'm going to be investing in. Fourth amazing feature that we have is reduced bounce rate. So when customers find an item they want but it's out of stock, they might leave your site and look elsewhere, right? But with Notify Me, we're going to provide an alternative option. So this is going to reduce bounce rates and keep your potential buyers on your radar. The last one is really the most self-explanatory one, which is to optimize inventory management. So by keeping track of which products are getting the most Notify Me requests, you can make better decisions about which items to prioritize for restocking. This is going to help you optimize inventory levels and avoid overstocking less popular items. So this is like an overview of what Notify Me is and what it can offer you. It is a simple yet highly effective way to capture clients and sales and enhance the shopping experience for your Shopify store. So by keeping your customers informed about the product availability, you boost engagement, you increase your sales, and you also gather valuable insights into customer demand. So if you haven't implemented this feature yet, I highly recommend giving it a try. Start by installing it on App Store, or you can head over to notifyme.io. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video helps and has given you some valuable insights into how Notify Me can maximize your Shopify store's potential.